Introduce highlight features and overview of ZENJOY 1 upgraded portable folding stool with backpack pad and bottle holder. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. It can hold 330 pounds and weighs only 2.42 pounds with heavy-duty plastic for a long life cycle and a secure, durable base. Safe to use as garden stool and footstool. The fabric of its cushion looks elegant and classic. With the soft foam pad, it is comfortable to sit on for a long time. It comes with an additional pocket in the cushion bag to carry your stuff. Once you open our packaging box, you'll find an instruction manual that explains how to use it with a cushion bag. These portable lightweight folding stools are waterproof. You can use it in the shower, bathroom/toilet, or kitchen. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.